The first step to heat apply CAD-PRINTZ Perma-TWILL is to load your item onto the heat press and ensure the printing surface is completely flat. At that point, I'm ready to set up my temperature, my time, and my pressure for application. CAD-PRINTZ Perma-TWILL applies at 300 degrees for 20 seconds. You also want to preheat your garment, so I've programmed a preheat of a few seconds to remove the moisture and wrinkles from my garment. This product requires a medium pressure, which is a 4, 5, or a 6 on my digital display on this Hotronix machine. The pressure adjustment is over the center. You can adjust that to increase the pressure or decrease the pressure, and then go ahead and lock the machine down to get your readout on the digital display. In this case, it's reading at a 5, which is a medium pressure on my scale of 0 to 9. A 4, 5, or 6 pressure will do just fine. Okay, so now we're set up for all of our applications. Let's pretend like I just loaded this shirt on. I'm going to conduct a preheat for that few seconds. Get rid of the moisture and wrinkles, get a completely flat printing surface, and now I'm ready to position my CAD-PRINTZ Perma-TWILL design. Now, if your design is a single image like this, where it's one product, one part of the design, it'll come loose and you can just position it wherever. If it were like text, where it's unique characters, it would come pre-spaced with a masking on it, so you can position it all in one step. But either way, you want to position your design in the same way. In this case, I'm doing a left chest logo. And your CAD-PRINTZ Perma-TWILL transfers will come with these special cover sheets. These are sublimated, so you have to cover them with these special cover sheets to ensure that that ink doesn't bleed onto your heater or your regular cover sheet that you normally use, because you're going to have to discard these after every use. With everything set up into place, I'm ready to lock my machine down at that 300 degrees for 20 seconds, which is going to produce a highly durable heat application of this product. After the application is complete, the press automatically opens. In this case, it kind of removed the cover sheet for me, but this is my completed result. No additional applications are needed.